Congratulations!
Thank you so much. Baka may iyak ako din.
Ayun, grabe. Overwhelmed si Miss Anna with all the guests tonight na umattend, Miss Rupa.
Yes, of course. And of course, Lux Beauty and Wellness is committed to pushing the boundaries of beauty innovation, offering a diverse portfolio of products including cosmetics, sunscreen, glutathione, and beyond. So let's take a closer look at what we have to offer.
This is 2025, so please you expect for it bigger, bolder, and syempre mas pasabog pang 2025 for Lux Beauty and Wellness Group. But I think before we will show that video, Ms. Rupa, I think it would be fitting if we can invite the Chief Operating Officer and Chief Financial Officer to give his opening remarks. Make some noise for Sir Mel Magpawas!
Ay, nag-guess pa? Dito mo na ako. O dito mo na tayo.
Pinasa ko po kasi sa kanyang responsibilidad ko ngayon. B, the floor is yours.
Kasi po yung totoo talaga. Alam niyo naman, this is not my turn. Kasi sobrang mayayari talaga ako. Nung sinabi na sa akin na yung opening remarks, sa akin pa yung closing remarks. So parang nakakalo naman sa puso. Okay, sige na. Bukod sa pinakabahan ako sa walk-in closet, tabi di pa kakabahan ulit ako. Okay. Magandang gabi, Lux family. Well, tonight is not just a celebration. It's a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you who have been part of our love story. Napakabilis ang panahon. Parang kailan lang, we were just a team of 3. Ako, si B, ang asawa ko, si RJ. Hindi naman yung palagi ng kwento dati lang. Well, that's a short story to share. Most of you knew na the first product of Lux ay wipes. Unang deliver pa lang ito ay challenge na kasi hindi makapasok yung wimban sa loob ng subdivision kasi sobrang laki, sumasabit siya sa gate. Well, God is good all the time talaga kasi nakahanap si RJ ng warehouse na yung per CDM ang charge. And that's what Black Waste subdivision lang. From that day onwards, mas marami pang challenges ang dumating sa amin. But most of them naman are good problems. Like, I need to make the stock zero. Kasi, hindi na namin kayang i-accommodate yung mga bagong papasok na orders. Alam mo na, na-experience ang ibang distributor yan kasi hindi na kaya nakatawang lupa namin that time. Kasi mapipelan din, di ba? Yung shop. Since nakita namin yung malaking potential ng business, hindi namin ito susubukan. Kasi we have a dream, a big one, and we dared to make it happen. Last year, we reached incredible milestones. We built Lux Waste manufacturing plant, our very own manufacturing company. We were able to open 2 Lux kiosks at SM Masina and SM Bigutan. Nakapasok na tayo finally sa isang malaking beauty and wellness chain sa bansa, ang Watsons. We now have our home, the Lux Beauty and Wellness Business Center, na located along Osmeña Highway sa lungsod ng Maynila. Taon-taon din, hindi natin nakakalimutan mag-abot ng tulong sa mga kababayan natin, especially sa mga kababayan namin sa probinsya. And also sa ibang lugar, na biktima ng kalamidad. And for that, I am very thankful sa mga taong nagbigay ng tulong from our suppliers, distributors, brand ambassadors, and also from our customers. At dito nabuo ang Lux Foundation Incorporated. And this year, kakasimula pa lang ng 2025, we opened another 2 kiosks at SM City Lipa and SM Batangas City. We just launched Luxnex Media Production Incorporated, our own production team, to bring our vision to life. Marami mga abangan. This 2025, we are expanding even more. Introducing Philux Pharmaceuticals, which aim to provide premium, safe, and effective medications for everyone's well-being. And also, the Lux Gold, our premium line of wellness drinks. At dahil malaki na nga tayo, a new company was formed, named Lux Beauty and Wellness Ventures Corporation, to handle the offline market of the business, while Magkawas Beauty and Wellness OPC will be now focusing the e-commerce side of the business. All these aforementioned companies is now under one parent company, the Magkawas Holdings Incorporated. As part of our commitment to expansion and excellence, we are excited to announce that our new corporate headquarters will soon rise in Circuit, Makati. Pero lahat ng mga achievements na ito ay may kapalit na pagod, uyat, at ang masakit, naluloko, at nai-scam pa rin. Alam niyo na mga nag-asawa, masyadong mabait, mabilis magtiwala. But we are not closing our doors to trust people. Kasi ganun naman talaga yung negosyo. Kailangan talagang tumaya. Kailangan na talagang tumaya. Kasi malakas talaga ang loob ng asawa ko. Napaka-risk-taker niya talaga ever since pa. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos. 2025 will be another year of growth, of bigger dreams, and of more life change. To all our clients, you have trusted us, supported us, and grown with us. This year, we're dedicating our journey to you, because you are not just a client, you are family. So tonight, let's celebrate not just Lux success, but our shared success. Kasama ang mga timbahay, our online viewers na nakatutok sa atin ngayong gabi. Tayo ay isang pamilyang patuloy na magbibigay ng ganda, kalusugan, at pag-asa sa bawat isa. Enjoy the evening, Luxers.
Thank you, Sir Magkawas. Oh my gosh, a quick trivia. You know, it's his first time on stage to give a speech. Kaya talagang palakpakan po natin.
Palakpakan natin si Sir Mel.
Because he's usually behind the scenes supporting Miss
Now, opening remarks and closing remarks. Bumawin.
But kanina talagang it's his time to shine, both of them. But we are so excited for everything in store for 2025.